of you present here. I'm Mohammed Imran from OKI International School, Negombo, Class 8 National, standing here to deliver a speech today. Now, I would like to speak on the most essential element of human existence, and that is unity among all humans is wonderful. A famous saying by Franklin D. Roosevelt goes like, "The point in history at which we stand is full of promises and danger. The world will either move forward towards unity and widely shared prosperity, or it will move apart." This saying has always been proved to be right, as whenever there has been any flinch in unity, the world has observed a lot of terror and instability. People living in Sri Lanka are from various castes, religion and beliefs. However, they live in unity and prove the fact that unity is diversity. Unity focuses on the existence of mutual peace, love, harmony, etc. Despite having differences in so many ways like caste, class, religion, etc. With regard to the Sri Lankan religions, its range never ends. It is a place of the reunion of various languages and religions. People from the entire world with distinctive customs are found living in our country in a very peaceful manner. Here, Buddhists, Catholics, Christians, Muslims, Hindus and Burghers live with love and peace with one another. All of them observe religious festivals with great zeal and enthusiasm. When there is harmony, there is more strength in weaves, better communication and better understanding. The freedom fighters of the Sri Lankan rights from the Britishers' encroachment on our land to the day when Sri Lanka celebrated its first Independence Day would not be possible without the combined effort of all the people irrespective of different religion or cultural background. They were just driven by a single agenda, and that is to win back Sri Lanka's freedom. This is why the freedom struggle of Sri Lanka is a great example for unity in diversity. It is unity which has become the cornerstone of prosperous, strong and happy Sri Lanka, even after a lot of terrorism, corruption and commotion countrywide. People hold karma and spirituality in high importance, which deepens their bond. For instance, a family symbolizes bonding, harmony and oneness. They live under the same roof, they share a very strong bond, they even share their woes and sorrows with each other. And this is the basic strength of unity. The importance of unity can be undermined. A few drops of water makes a mighty ocean, and this makes the basis of unity. In my frame of reference, I believe that unity reigns and sways supreme in each and every walk of life. No achievement in this world would be possible without unity. Thank you.